Laurence Dunbar was an African-American poet, author, and composer who lived in the late 1800s and early 1900s. He was revered by both blacks and whites because of his great writing style, particularly his poetry, which was classical in form as well as used dialect, often called Southern or slave dialect. He died when he was young, and because he was so revered with such an expansive amount of work at such a young age, many of the new colored schools that were built in the late 1800s, early 1900s were named after him, Dunbar schools. If you go throughout the South, you'll see Dunbar schools everywhere you go. Today, they're not often colored schools, but they are schools that are middle schools or administrative buildings. Although in Washington, D.C., there is the celebrated Dunbar High School, which is an integrated school and in fine quality today. This particular poem is one of those poems in dialect called At Candlelightin Time. And I'm hoping that you'll have a candlelightin time at your home. The candlelightin time is after dinner, after supper, when the family gathers together and you have music and you have songs and stories and games. At Candlelightin Time by Paul Laurence Dunbar. When I come in from the cornfield after working hard all day, it's amazing nice to find my supper all up underway. And it's nice to smell the coffee bubbling over in the pot, and it's fine to see the meat sizzling, teasing like they hot. But when supper time is over and the things is cleared away, then the happy hours that follow are the sweetest of the day. When my man's pipe is started and the smoke is drawing prime, then that's when I say, I reckon it's candlelightin time. And the children snuggle up to me and they all commence to call, oh, say, mama, now it's time to make the shadows on the wall. So I puts my hands together, every mama knows the way, and the children snuggle close around me as I begin to say, first thing here comes Mr. Rabbit. Don't you see his work his ears? This must be the donkey. Look how innocent he appears. There's the old black swan a-swimming. Ain't she got an awful neck? And who's that fella that's a-coming? Why, that's old dog Trey, I expect. That's the way I run off for to try to please him all I can. Then I hollers, now be careful, this here last one's the booger man. And they runs and hides their faces. They ain't scared, they's letting on. But the play ain't really over till that booger man is gone. So my man takes up his banjo and he plays a little tune. And I see them heads come peeping out to listen mighty soon. Then I says, ain't I such a mama for to give you such a fright? Just now you go on to bed and leave us. Say your prayers and say good night.